What's up guys, it's Evan from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a front handspring for beginners at home. Alright, so the first thing is you want to get a little bit of running space. If it's your first time, speed helps. Well, anytime I guess, speed helps get you through the handstand, or the front handspring. So get a little bit of running space. I don't have that much room, so I'm just going to go a little bit. And then when you're ready to do it, you have to know what, I'm sure you know how to do a cartwheel or anything like that. So whichever leg you start with, so say you go like this for a cartwheel, that's the one you're going to start with a front handspring. Okay? So I have my right foot in front. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a hurdle, which is here. I go off my left leg and I land on my left leg. So here, boom. And then I'm gonna land like this, or I'm gonna go here, bend my right knee, put my hands on the ground, and then you wanna block up, okay? What blocking is basically, your shoulders are here, and doing that. When you hit the ground with your hands, doing this will pop you up to make sure that you can land straight up, okay? So once again, right foot in front, here, take a hurdle, go here, boom, pop up, and then have your legs just come over, and that's pretty much it, okay? So one more time, boom, hurdle, here, pop, and then you're gonna flip over, okay? So I'll show you. Alright guys, that's the video. Thanks for watching. That's how to do a front handspring at home for beginners.